Stop scrolling. Yes, you. If you are a beginner in English and you feel nervous when speaking, this message is for you. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because the truth is simple. You are not bad at English. You just don't practice it the right way daily. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what to do every single day to start speaking English clearly and confidently. This is not grammar theory. This is not complicated vocabulary. This is real, practical, daily speaking training for real beginners. So sit straight, take a deep breath, and say this sentence with me right now. I am ready to speak clearly. Say it again. I am ready to speak clearly. Good. Your transformation starts now. First, understand something very important. Clarity is more powerful than speed. Many beginners try to speak fast because they think fast means fluent. No. Fast and unclear creates confusion. Slow and clear creates confidence. So, from this moment, you will speak slowly, calmly, with control. That alone will change your English immediately. Now here is your daily method. Step 1 is mirror speaking. Every single day, stand in front of a mirror for 5 minutes. Look at yourself. Not at your phone, not at notes, at yourself. And introduce yourself clearly. Say, "Hello, my name is blank. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I am becoming more confident." Speak slowly. Watch your mouth move. Notice your pronunciation. When you see yourself speaking, your brain builds confidence faster. Repeat this every day, even if you feel shy, especially if you feel shy. Step 2 is daily routine narration. Your life is your best English topic. From morning to night, describe your actions in English. When you wake up, say out loud, "I am waking up now. I am brushing my teeth. I am making breakfast. I am getting ready for work." Do not wait for perfect grammar, just describe your actions. This builds natural speaking flow. At first, it may feel strange, but after a few days, your brain starts thinking in English automatically. Now, step 3 is slow repetition practice. Choose 5 simple sentences daily. For example, I believe in myself. I can improve. I am learning step by step. I speak clearly and calmly. I am not afraid of mistakes. Repeat each sentence 10 times slowly. Focus on pronunciation. Focus on clarity. This trains your mouth muscles and your brain patterns. Let us practice together right now. Repeat after me slowly. I speak English clearly. Pause. Again. I speak English clearly. Now say, I am improving every single day. Again. I am improving every single day. Feel the calmness in your voice. That calmness is confidence. Now listen carefully. The biggest fear beginners have is making mistakes. But mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you wait to be perfect, you will never speak. So from today, change your mindset. Say this sentence strongly. Mistakes help me grow. Again. Mistakes help me grow. When you accept mistakes, fear disappears. Step 4 is listening and shadowing. Choose a short English audio or video with clear pronunciation. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat it exactly the same way. Match the tone. Match the speed. Match the emotion. This method improves pronunciation very fast. Do this for 10 minutes daily, not 1 hour randomly. 10 focused minutes daily is more powerful than 1 hour once a week. Now let us build a clear speaking paragraph together. Repeat slowly. Every day I practice English with patience. I focus on speaking clearly, not quickly. I allow myself to make mistakes. I learn from them. I improve step by step. Say it again, but this time with more strength. Very good. Now imagine one real-life situation. Someone asks you, "How is your English learning going?" Instead of saying, "My English bad," you will say clearly, "I am still learning, but I practice daily and I am improving." Repeat that. "I am still learning, but I practice daily and I am improving." That sounds confident. That sounds strong. Confidence is not loudness. Confidence is calm clarity. Speak like you are explaining something important, not like you are rushing to finish. Now we move to conversation building. I will give you a short daily conversation pattern. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I am doing well, thank you. I am working on improving my English. I practice every day. It is helping me speak more clearly. Again, slower. Speak every word clearly. This is how you train fluency. Now close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself 1 month from today. You are speaking English without stopping every 2 seconds. You are forming sentences naturally. You are not translating every word in your mind. That future version of you depends on what you do daily starting today. Here is your 5-minute emergency practice if you are busy. 1 minute self-introduction. 1 minute daily routine description. 1 minute positive affirmations. 1 minute shadowing practice. 1 minute free speaking about your day. That is 5 minutes, no excuses. Let us practice free speaking now. I will guide you. Speak about your day today. Start with, "Today I woke up at..." Continue. Describe what you did. Even if you stop, continue again. Do not quit. Your brain is building new pathways. Every second you continue, you grow. Now, strong clarity drill. Repeat after me slowly and powerfully. I deserve to speak confidently. Again. I deserve to speak confidently. Now say, I am not a weak speaker. I am a growing speaker. Again. I am not a weak speaker. I am a growing speaker. Feel that shift. Many beginners quit because they compare themselves to fluent speakers. Stop comparing. You are on your own path. Fluency is a result of consistency, not talent, not background, not school. Consistency. From today, follow this simple rule. Speak something in English every single day, even if it is 1 minute. No 0 days. 0 days destroy progress. Small daily effort builds unstoppable confidence. Now, let us combine everything into one final, powerful speaking flow. Repeat after me clearly and calmly. I am a beginner, but I am serious about improving. Every day I practice speaking slowly and clearly. I describe my daily routine. I repeat positive sentences. I listen and shadow clear English. I am not afraid of mistakes. I speak with confidence. Day by day, my English becomes stronger. Say it again, stronger. If you practice this daily for 30 days, you will notice a powerful difference. Your words will come faster. Your pronunciation will improve. Your fear will reduce. And most importantly, you will believe in yourself. Before this video ends, I want you to commit. Say this final commitment sentence clearly. From today, I will practice English daily without excuses. Again, from today, I will practice English daily without excuses. You are not behind. You are not late. You are learning. And learning takes repetition. So start today. Practice today. Improve today. And remember this always. Clarity first, speed later. I will see you in the next practice session. Keep speaking, keep growing, keep believing.